Hello, how are you?
Hello, I'm fine. And you?
I'm fine too. Please, can I talk to you a little bit?
No problem.
Thank you so much. My name is Fabrice Kinamovies. What's yours?
My name is Bella Akimana.
Nice to meet you, Bella Kimana. What age are you?
I'm 25 years old. How about you?
I'm 25 years of age as well. What's your hobby?
My hobby is singing gospel music. How about you?
My hobby is reading books. I really like to read books. What do you do for a living?
I work as a waitress. How about you?
I'm an English teacher. Where do you work?
I work in town, Bujumbura. And you?
I work at Excellency House, 4th floor, room number 401. Where do you hang out?
I hang out in Bujumbura. And you?
I hang out in Bujumbura as well. What's your marital status?
I'm a single. And you?
I'm single too.
That's good.
Which church do you go to?
I pray at Zion Temple Celebration Center. How about you?
I go to Catholic Church. Thank you so much. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Bye.
Bye.
Nagira nsigure amwe mu majambo twagiye turakoresha muri ino video. Umuntu niyakubaza how are you called, bingana nkaho yokubaza ati what's your name. How are you called? What's your name? Mu kwishyura rero uvuga am called cyane am. Then umuntu yakubaza what age are you? What age are you? Bingana nkaho yokubaza how old are you? How old are you? Ufise imyaka ingahe? Uca wishyura am 25 years old cyangwa ukavuga am 25 years of age. This is American English, right? Hama umuntu yakubaza what's your hobby? What is your hobby? What's your hobby? Azoba akeneye kukubaza ikintu ukunda gukora iyo ufise akanya. Wahejeje akazi cyane wavuye ku ishuri, hajya wicaye uri muhira atakintu ufite kurakora, kijya kintu kigusama cyane gufata ujya mwanya nigiki. Rero umuntu akubaza what's your hobby? Nishyuye my hobby is reading books. Iyo nkunda gusoma ibitabo. Dani nawe yishyuye my hobby is singing gospel music. Ati akunda kuririmba indirimbo ndoramana. Great. Then umuntu niyakubaza what is your marital status? What is your marital status? Azoba ashatse kumenya etat civile yiwawe. Urubatse canke ni wubatse. Okay? So uca wishyura bivanye n'ingene etat civile yawe imeze. Uvuze ko wubatse uvuga am married. Am married. Warahukanye uvuga am divorced. Am divorced. Warapfakaye uvuga am widowed. Am widowed. Cyangwa uri single ukavuga am single, aho nta mukunzi ufise, nta mugabo cyangwa nta mugore ufise. Umuntu ntiyakubaza what's your religion, wakubajije idini urimo, uri mu idini rihe? So am Christian, ndi umukristo. Which church do you go to? Winjira mu isengero yihe? I go to Catholic Church. Ninjirira muri Catholic. Cyane I go to Zion Temple. Ninjirira muri mu rusengero rwa Zion. The things like that. So hari ikibazo tutavuze. I hope subira inyuma kandi mwumvirize conversation. Then comment it down in the comment section. Hamato kuyinisha muri comment there. So don't forget to subscribe and to share this video so it can reach so many people. Nabo bakabasha kugira icyongereza natwe. Thank you so much. It was your English coach Fabrice Kinamovies with Bella. Thank you so much.